all Indians, all my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of his reach and always try to be worthy of it. I shall to my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and treat everyone with and prosperity alone life.
Studying ninth class today is over pleasantly in a happy day. Thank you to all.
Good morning everyone. My name is Jnana Prasanna. I am studying ninth class. Today's thought: always think you before you act and speak.
Hosted the G20 summit in 2023. Right answer. Of Uttar Pradesh. Right answer. Indian Constitution Day observed on which day?
Jai